Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the triptans. So what are the triptans? It is the 5HT, the 5HT 1B is 5HT 1B as well as 1D, 5HT 1B and 1D agonist. So what are some important properties of these triptans? The first is, what is the longest acting? The answer to the longest acting is going to be the triptan. Fro. It is a triptan is the longest acting triptan. Next is, what is the fastest acting triptan? This will be the rizatriptan. Rizatriptan being the fastest acting triptan. So what is the least bioavailability? So least bioavailability. So this is nothing but the sumatriptan. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.